Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can send money from the UK to Nigeria using TapTap Send. So let's get started. Now guys, if this is your first time sending money using TapTap Send, you can use the promo code from the description below and input it right here. As you can see, I've got some bonus credit, and if you use that promo code, you will get £15 on your next TapTap Send transfer. So don't miss that opportunity to get some free funds on your transfer. And now let's go ahead and continue. To transfer money from the UK to Nigeria, you would first need to select the Nigeria as a recipient country. So you do this by just tapping on this menu right here at the top of the screen. And here we would just need to find Nigeria. And here it is right here. So I will just select it. So here I currently have euros because my address is in the EU, but if you inputted your address as a UK address, you will have pounds right here. So let's go ahead and input the amount of funds that we would like to transfer to Nigeria. And as you can see, the recipient gets Nigerian Naira. So let's say for the time I want to transfer 20 euros, or in your case 20 pounds, the recipient will get this amount of Naira. So to continue, just go ahead and tap on next. Then we would need to add a new recipient if this is your first transfer. So here we will be transferring directly to a recipient's bank account. So I would just need to select the payment method as a bank account. Now the bank name, you would just need to select one of the banks of your recipient. So let's say that the person that we're sending money to has a Citibank Nigeria account right here. Then you would just need to input a bank number. And after inputting that, you can just go ahead and tap on check details. Now, once you check details for the bank account number, you would need to input the recipient's name. And after you inputted the name, you can tap on next. Now on the next step, you would need to select the payment method, which can be your bank account, your credit card, your debit card, Google Pay, or any other payment service that you currently have. So once you have your payment method connected, you would just need to confirm this transaction and the money will be sent. So it's pretty straightforward, and essentially that's guys how you can send money from the UK to Nigeria using TapTap Send. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.